Hi there and welcome to this Master of Hypnosis training program. I am really excited to be giving you this comprehensive hypnosis training course right now. You know, I love hypnosis, but it wasn't always that way. In fact, I used to dismiss it as being a little bit out there, and I didn't really buy into it at all. That is, until one day I decided to just go with the flow and keep an open mind. And boy, I'm glad I did. Hypnosis has quite literally changed my life for the better, and it can yours too. So right about now, you may be saying to yourself, I don't know, hypnosis all sounds a bit weird to me. And if you're like most people though, you probably have a feeling that you'd like to know a bit more about it. Well, the good news is that that's why I've created this course, and I've created it for anyone, whether you're new to hypnosis or indeed if you're a seasoned hypnotherapist. So that means that you can get real benefit from taking this course. Did you know that you have at your disposal the most powerful piece of kit imaginable, your unconscious mind? Well, let me ask you this. How would it be if you could harness the power of that unconscious powerhouse so that you can achieve all of your goals, break limiting beliefs, absolutely believe in yourself and have more confidence than ever before? And how would it be if you could help others do that as well, so that they can live the life that they deserve? That would be pretty good, right? And how about if you're in business? How would it be if you could learn to covertly influence the buying public so that you could increase your sales, make more money, and get more customers? And again, if you're like most people, you'll agree that that's pretty cool as well. So if you've been browsing courses and you're watching me now and you've started learning about this course, then it's great, as that means that now is the time for you to enjoy the benefits of taking this course. So you can either decide to enroll right now or keep watching while I tell you more about the course, and then you can enroll at the end or at any time in between. However you choose to do that is absolutely fine. You know, teaching hypnosis online has been a goal of mine for a very long time, and it's most definitely a challenge. As I said, I really love hypnosis, and learning it has dramatically changed my life, and I really want the same for you. So I've done my very best to make this course interesting and fun as well. I really want you to feel the power of this incredible technique, to engage with your unconscious mind and get it working for you to improve any aspect of your life. Your unconscious mind is so powerful. You are so powerful, and when you learn how to run your mind by using hypnosis, oh my goodness, you will never ever look back. In fact, why don't you write down today's date as the date that everything changed, and for the better? And apart from what learning hypnosis will do for you, what about the people you love? Won't it be great to help those that you care about to be the best they can be in their lives? So this course is for people who actively want to learn about hypnosis, how to do it either with themselves as self-hypnosis or with other people. This is for people who are serious about being the best that they can be in life and who want to unleash the unconscious powerhouse that will see them fulfilling their full potential. If you're watching this now, then that means that this course is for you. You're going to get a huge amount of value out of this course. You'll learn how to construct your language to be more persuasive. You'll learn how to hypnotize other people and help them with practically any issue. You'll be able to sort your own stuff out in the process as well. And when you start to tap into the power of your unconscious mind, you will start achieving more, making more money, having better relationships. In short, you'll improve your life. And how much value would that have for you? That would be pretty amazing, right? Well, all you need to do is enroll and get started. We'll go through the course step by step and build up your knowledge, your confidence and your belief in yourself and hypnosis. And you're going to get to enjoy some hypnotic trances along the way as well. It's going to be a load of fun. It's going to be concise, informative, and you're going to just love it. So my name is Matt Barnett, and I'm a trainer of hypnosis, a trainer of NLP, and a businessman with a number of business interests. I enjoy everything that I do, and hypnosis, whether it's training it, creating products, writing articles for courses like this, well, I just love it. You'll find you're always in a great place after working with hypnosis. Hypnosis is a form of relaxation, so you can expect to feel pretty chilled whilst you're studying this course as well, which is always a good thing. Oh, and if you're one of the many hypnosis skeptics out there, then you are particularly welcome. as that means that you will probably be the one who gets the very best results out of this course. It's always that way. And I'll enjoy hearing about how you went into that impossible trance when you send me a message through the course. So, you spent some time listening to me and learning about the course, and now is the time. There's not a moment to lose, so let's get started.